With a busy day behind you, this is a chance to reset your mind by staying up to date with the latest news within the USL community.
Keep yourself informed as we gather as one Louisian community virtually. This is
USL PASSIRIMMU. Hello to all Louisians who are watching us via Facebook Live. What a pleasure to see you again, Sir Jonathan.
Wow, what a pleasure to see you, of course, Sir Kyle. And it's a pleasure for me as well to be back on the screens of our viewers. Hello to our capable Louisians, the Louisian Stars, and the Louisian Gems.
Hello to the faculty and students of the School of Engineering, Architecture and Information Technology Education and the School of Accountancy, Business and Hospitality.
Hi also to the School of Education, Arts and Sciences, to the School of Health and Allied Sciences, the School of Graduate Studies, and USL alumni.
Happy New Year, dear Louisians! As we kick off 2023, let's all greet it with open hearts and motivation to go forward with renewed faith, hope, and courage.
From the start of a new year to making new resolutions and goals, we hope you find the inspiration you need to achieve them.
It's no secret that the first half of January has been quite eventful for Louisians. And there's one word that's been said and used more often than usual. Sir Jonathan, can you guess what that is?
Let me try, Sir Kyle. Actually, new year, new start, new semester, new president, and new campus. Now that you've asked, Sir Kyle, I've realized we've been hearing the word new more often lately, right?
Indeed, Sir Jonathan, the word new brings out a sense of motivation and inspiration within us, especially in the context of a new year as we set out for our renewed goals and dreams in life. It might also cast doubts and uncertainties as we don't know what the future holds or we feel unfamiliar with what is new. However, you have yourself to take your future into your own hands, together with your family, friends, someone who has had a positive impact on your life, and most importantly, with the support of the Lord Almighty.
Precisely, Sir Kyle. A renewed start in the new year is both a wonderful and challenging feeling, and this 2023 USL is already off to a fantastic start. We have started the year busy, but in a festive mood as we welcomed our university president, a new campus, and a new semester.
Please stay with us until the end of the program for the full details and features of all the good news we received in USL last December and this January.
And we're not going to make it any longer. We now share with you a series of good news here in
USL PASSIRIMMU. Good news number 1. A milestone moment as Father Maniwang CICM takes the helm at USL. The University of St. Louis recently inaugurated Reverend Father McQueen and Maniwang CICM as its 5th president in a Holy Eucharist and solemn investiture ceremony held on January 7, 2023 at the Good Shepherd Chapel. With a legacy of dedication to academic excellence, Father Maniwang assures a promising and bright future for the institution.
As president, I'll try my best to give you the strength you need by providing service and leadership that are motivated by passion and commitment. We know that among the many roles of a president, one is to be the face of the university. I am proud and willing to be the face of USL, but you, administrators, faculty, staff, students, pupils, alumni, and our family council, you must be her heart, her mind, and her soul. I will always be mindful that power is about greatness, because greatness in power is translated to service, a responsibility and accountability to the people and to the organization.
The USL community extends its greetings and congratulations to Reverend Father McQueen Maniwang CICM.
Good news number 2. The Louisian community came together on December 30, 2022 for the blessing and inauguration ceremony of the University of St. Louis new campus. The new site called the Bishop Constant Jurgens Campus, is located in Barangay Leonarda, Tuguegarao City.
Good news number 3. Cheers filled the James Termier Gymnasium as administrators, faculty, and non-teaching personnel came together for the annual USL Employees Christmas program on December 21, 2022. The employees enjoyed the Christmas celebration with performances and prizes and giveaways through parlor games and raffle draws. A tribute program for Reverend Father Ranilio H. Santa Ana, CICM, headlined the night's festivities. This honors his illustrious career as USL's leading figure for the past 4 years. Under the leadership of Father Santa Ana, USL has made strides in a range of areas as exemplified by the acquisition of ISO certification, the rise of the new Bishop Constant Jurgens Campus in Barangay Leonarda, and the performance of USL graduates in licensure examinations, which produced 4 top-notchers in 2022.
Good news number 4. The elementary school of the University of St. Louis recently obtained its Level 2 re-accreditation from the Philippine Accrediting Association of Schools, Colleges, and Universities. As a result, the USL Elementary has been re-accredited for 5 years, valid through November 2027, and it is now eligible to apply for Level 3 accreditation. Congratulations, USL Elementary School.
Further, Engineer Archigan Labrador, Engineer Francis Verbo, Engineer Aaron Ed Joseph Acuña, and Engineer Aliana Marie Beran Ochoa have been inducted into the University of St. Louis Wall of Fame, joining other notable Louisian top-notchers. To date, USL has produced 73 top-notchers, with 9 of them achieving first place in various licensure exams. The USL Wall of Fame pays tribute to all Louisian graduates who brought honor to the university by topping national licensure examinations. Felicitations once again, Louisian top-notchers.
Also, Engineer Gerard Tan, a BSECE 2005 alumnus of USL, received the first ASEAN Outstanding Young Engineers Award 2022 during the 40th Conference of the ASEAN Federation of Engineering Organizations held in Phnom Penh, Cambodia on December 7, 2022. Congratulations from the Louisian community.
Good news number 5. USL's Basic Education Unit was awarded as one of the top-performing schools in the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau, Greater Bay Area Mathematical Olympiad 2022 after a sterling performance done by Louisian participants. The said event was conducted online on December 4, 2022. Congratulations, Louisians and Louisian coaches.
Good news number 6. Current and former student leaders from the University of St. Louis and Medical Colleges of Northern Philippines, MCNP ASAP, participated in a discourse on the theme Student Leadership and Youth's Coping Mechanisms for Online Schooling to Face-to-Face Setup during the Concierge TV show held on December 1, 2022 at the USL Friendship Park.
The Immaculate Heart of Mary Parish in Chisangpo, Malawi, one of the beneficiaries of USL's Mission Drive collection, is now enjoying the sewing machines given by the university. Cash was transferred to the organizer, who then purchased 20 sewing machines for Malawi. In a letter issued by the project coordinator, Father Joachim Kirangritan, CICM, he wrote that the majority of the recipients launched their own tailoring businesses and began making money and profit from them.
Also, the University of St. Louis Campus Ministry installed a new set of lay ministers in a Eucharistic Mass held on December 2, 2022 at the Good Shepherd Chapel.
Good news number 7. Louisian employees engaged in a period of spiritual reflection during the annual Employees Recollection held in 2 different sessions on December 5 and 6, 2022 at the Good Shepherd Chapel. The Recollection is a yearly activity of spiritual nourishment and Christian formation designed to assist Catholic educators under USL's core value of Christian living.
Good news number 8. Mr. Rain Chester Bangayan, a Louisian accountancy student, notched the first place in the Auditing Theories Quiz Bee hosted by the National Federation of Junior Philippine Institute of Accountants, on November 26 to 27, 2022.
Good news number 9. The Louisian community came together at the Good Shepherd Chapel on December 8, 2022 in celebration of the Feast of the Immaculate Conception and Catholic Educators Day. The festivity commemorates the Feast of the greatest preparation and participation made for human salvation through the Immaculate Conception of the Blessed Virgin Mary. A tribute presentation honoring the professionalism and dedication of all Catholic educators to their lifelong mission of integral human formation of youth followed the Mass. All USL employees were then treated to a luncheon and gift-giving activity after the program.
Good news number 10. The University of St. Louis successfully hosted its first International Hospitality and Tourism Convention held at the Maynard's Resort and Convention Center on December 9 to 10, 2022.
Good news number 11. The guidance team commenced the annual Project Hope or Holistic Outreach Program for the empowerment of adult learners to parents at Sitio Canaman, San Antonio, and Dile on December 17, 2022. The 3-session parenting seminar series will be conducted through lectures, discussions, and workshops on the parenting topics identified.
Good news number 12. The USL teacher education students successfully completed the project pictures or tutorial for engagement, advancement, and collaboration towards holistic educational reformation early learning needs assessment phase.
Good news number 13. Non-teaching personnel in collaboration with the Human Resource Management and Development Office conducted a seminar for non-teaching personnel, maintenance, solo parents, and other employees on December 7, 2022. This is in support of the 18-day campaign to end VOW, an advocacy campaign that is observed annually from November 25 to December 12 as mandated by Proclamation 1172, Series of 2006.
Good news number 14. Honoring the accomplishments and achievements of Louisians, the University of St. Louis conducted the 4th Gawad San Luis for students on December 13, 2022 at the Bulwagang Teodolfo Domingo. Congratulations to all our awardees.
Congratulations. And you have just heard a series of good news about the latest achievements and happenings in the university. The University of St. Louis, true to its constant dedication to mission and excellence, never ceases in providing standard quality in teaching, learning, service, and stewardship of school resources to its students and stakeholders.
Exactly, Sir Kyle. And of course, as a lifetime mission, the university is dedicated to the integral human formation of the youth who will become mature Christians and active members of the church.
Thank you for listening and staying with us. Join us for more exciting good news about the university next month. This is USL PASSIRIMMU.